How to use Zoom. On the top right corner, you can choose different types of layouts or views. This is Gallery View. You can see all the participants in the Zoom call. And this is the Speaker View. You only see the speaker. You can also change your name to your preferred name. Click on the ... and choose Rename. At the bottom, there is the menu bar. The first button is the mute and unmute button. Now is unmute. The mic is on. When you are not speaking, you can mute or turn off the mic. The next button is to turn on and off the camera. Students concentrate and learn better with their camera on. And this button tells you how many participants in the Zoom call. This is the reaction button. You can raise your hand to ask a question or answer a question. When done, you need to lower your hand. And there are other reactions. Heart, thumbs up, clapping hands, something is funny. These reactions only stay up for a few seconds. And here is the chat. You can type messages and send it to everyone. You can also send a direct message privately to another person. The ... button shows more functions. So these are the basic features in Zoom.